Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I wanted to start this YouTube channel from a very long time and I'm finally here and I'm so excited about it. So a little introduction about what all you will be seeing on this channel is a lot of fashion related stuff, makeup, skincare, hauls, various different kind of videos I will be sharing, I promise. So if you want to stay with me on this journey, then don't forget to stick around. So recently there was this independence sale and pink sale going on over Nykaa and I shopped a little. So I will be showing you guys what all products that I bought and I will be giving a little review about everything. So let's get started. The very first product that I bought from Nykaa is this Wet n Wild eyebrow kit. So it has two shades in it, one dark brown, light brown, and then there is this gel thing to set your eyebrows. It also has a brush and a tweezer in it and a mirror as well. I'll show you here. Yeah, so it's a very compact kit, very travel friendly, and it has everything that you will be needing to do your eyebrows. So it's perfect. My sister purchased it first. I really liked it, so I bought it for myself as well. Okay, so the next product that I purchased from Nykaa is this Swiss Beauty Pro Looks palette. This is how it looks. Most of you guys must have already seen it on my Instagram account. So if you are not following me there, I will be sharing my Instagram account in the description box as well as on the screen. Do follow me over there as well. So this is how the palette looks like. It has really nice colors in it. There are some blue tones, purple tones, some orange, pink, golden and nude tones as well. It is a really nice palette for beginners, and see the pigmentation, it is really pigmented and the color payoff is also very nice. I did my makeup with this palette only today. The next product is this lip balm from Wadi. It is strawberry lip balm. This is how it looks like and you get a really good quantity for the price you are paying. It is for like 40 or 50 rupees and there are many variants in this lip balm, like there is lychee, blueberry, things like that. It is a really good lip balm. It keeps your lips hydrated for a really long time. The next thing is this mini lipstick from Nykaa. This is in the shade 20M Starlit Siren and this is how it looks like. It is very small and it is a red shade. I swatch it for you guys. See, it's pretty good. I liked it. Yeah. The next product is also a lipstick from Nykaa and this one is a nude lipstick. It's in the shade Let It Snooze. It's a brown nude shade. This is how it looks like. It is very nice for daily purpose, so I got it. Next product is this Wet n Wild lip gloss. It says it's a glassy gloss. I think the gloss thing is again in trend, and see, it's a pink gloss. I can top it off with any lipstick. It makes your lips look a little more hydrated and plumped, so I purchased it. Then is this Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow, and this is my favorite purchase from all the things. I have heard so many good things about this eyeshadow and it is really very nice. You can see it's in the shade Champagne. It is really good. You can put it on your lid and you will get that blinging kind of a thing going on. I really liked it, so yeah, I would recommend it to you guys to purchase this one. It is very cheap. It is for like 199 and it is always out of stock in Nykaa, so I was lucky to get it. Then I got this concealer from Swiss Beauty and I just realized that I have shopped a lot from Swiss Beauty. And this concealer, it's in the shade 04. I think it's medium tone. It's a very thick concealer. This is how it looks like, and it gives you full coverage. I have heard really good things about this one as well. I don't know, Swiss Beauty products are really nice. I really like the brand. Okay, so coming to the skincare and hair care, I got this Livon hair serum. This is how it looks like. It is really small in size. I just wanted to try it because my skin is very oily and my scalp also gets oily really quickly, so I just wanted to try it if it really works to make my ends look frizz free and not oily. So I got it. So the next product is this Pantene Advanced Hair Fall Solution. Okay, so I have some issues with this product because what it claims to do, it doesn't. Like, it did nothing for me, nothing. And I know it's a monsoon season, everybody is facing hair fall issues, but at least don't make my hair fall more than before, because my hair, when I use this shampoo now, my hair were falling like when you wear some hair extension and you remove it. That's how they were falling, and I was so horrified. Same is the thing with this Pantene Advanced Hair Fall Solution conditioner. It's a good conditioner. It made my hair look so smooth, soft and silky, but at the same time I faced this hair fall problem with it as well. So I wouldn't recommend to purchase these two products. I don't know why. Maybe it's with me, my skin, my scalp was not suitable for it, but it did nothing for me, so I wouldn't recommend it to purchase this product. Next product is this Everyuth Regenerating Cucumber and Aloe Vera Face Pack. It is a really nice face pack. It retails for like 60 rupees only, and it makes your skin look very smooth and your pores get blurred out. You can get a little bit of tingling sensation for 1 or 2 minutes, but after that it fades away, and you can wash it after 15 minutes and you will get a really nice healthy looking skin, so you can go for it. The very last product is this Biotique Bio Papaya Visibly Flawless Skin Face Wash, and it also retails for rupees 60 only, and it has some little granules in it, but not like that of a scrub. So it is also a really nice face wash for daily purpose. Your skin will feel flawless and it seems very clean and healthy, so you can also go for this product. I really liked it. This is it for today, guys. I hope you like this Nykaa haul of mine, and I will be linking each product in the description box below, and you can go and check it out from there if you want to purchase anything. And if you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It would really mean a lot to me. So see you next time. Bye bye.